Good afternoon. February the 17th of February, so thought I'd do a video. I haven't done a video now probably for, I don't know, probably 6 weeks or more, probably 2 months, which is a bit naughty. I've done lots of updates but no video updates, so this is it. So what's happening? I'm pretty happy with most things. A couple of issues, but generally quite happy with the grow. This weekend been extremely busy. The grow tent is now out, as you can see. That served the purpose. I think a couple of lessons learnt from last year, as in I don't think I had the ventilation correct. It was okay when the plants were young, but as they got a lot bigger they were pretty well restricted, and I got some problems with probably botrytis on I don't know, 5 or 6 of the pips, which I lost. Couple that went double. I think I've lost about 8 altogether. Big onions, so not that good, but to be honest, probably a blessing in disguise. I was going to grow around 20 this year, but decided to reduce that down to around 14 with a couple of backups. So have a quick walk around the greenhouse. These here have been in 50-litre air pots now for I think just over 2 weeks, and they're growing pretty well, to be fair. These are the 6 best ones, well, most advanced. No issues, slight bit of thrip I can see, but very little, and I'm treating them, so hopefully won't cause too much of an issue. But as you can see, they're all pretty good. LED lights are on, following daylight. That's around 800 watts, equivalent to a T5 or CFL. So yeah, really healthy. Leaf wise, I'm not quite sure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around about 12 to 14 leaves. As you can see, this is a pip. This is one of the big ones, growing really well. Let's just hope we don't get any doesn't go double or go to seed. But anyway, that's those 6. I've got another 6, 8 here that's been potted on yesterday. They're also in 50-litre air pots, several different soil mixes, a couple in 11-litre pots there, which are pips, which I'm going to keep going into those pots there. And I've only potted them on maybe a week, 10 days ago, so they'll stay in there for 2 or 3 more weeks. And the beginning of March they'll go in some big pots. What else? Seed onions. This one here, the one that I'm touching, that's off the £18 4. It's coming to life, but we'll see what happens. First time, sorry, not that good at overwintering onions. Radish, this is a competition for giant veg, actually going mad. Leeks, some early ones, and they have got some thrip. Again, I'm treating, hope it doesn't get any worse in there, in I think 3-litre air pots. Show onions, really pleased with them. Again, I'm spraying. Peter Hoden seed, so they're good. More leeks, and here's some of Robert Reed. These are potted on this morning, sorry, this afternoon, not so long ago. Looking pretty good. So let's just show you the leeks, what they're looking like. So yeah, coming alright, just need blanching, and yeah, alright. Weather wise, the weather is pretty mild, considering it's mid-February. 10, 11, 12 degrees at day, dropping to 5 or 6 at night. Got lots of air circulation in here this year, more than last year. Try and keep the air fresh, and I'm also got some extraction, pushing warm air out, and just leave the windows The vents open just slightly, just to bring some fresh air in through the day. So that's it. Pretty pleased. Like I said, the onions are, I'm happy with them. Probably up about 2 to 3 weeks on last year, and let's hope for a good grow. I'll update again in about a month's time on the video front. I'll do regular videos anyway, but thanks for watching, and yeah, happy growing.